is going to be a really quick video because I'm going to get right to the point. There's 3 things that I will never do to my fine natural hair. I know people can be very adventurous with their hair. At one point I was, now I am not. It's finally at a place where it's starting to finally thrive again, and I do not want to mess with that. You might be adventurous with your hair, more power to you, but I'm just sharing with you 3 things that I will not do to my fine natural hair ever. The first thing is kind of a given, and that is relaxing it. Relaxing my hair is not an option ever. It's not just about straightening the hair and what it looks like. It's the health of it, the chemicals that go in through the skin. So that's a no-no for me. The second thing is I will never color my hair with chemicals. Yes, I am a person who uses henna to cover up my gray hairs, and every now and again I may use some indigo to level out that reddish hue that takes place when you use henna on your grays. But I will never ever use chemical coloring in my hair. And the third thing that I will never do to my fine natural hair is use caustic DIY ingredients like baking soda. I've seen people doing these baking soda rinses, washes, masks. Baking soda is very corrosive. And while I don't know a lot about the DIYing aspect of it, what I do know is upon speaking to several professionals who do know what they're talking about, they do not recommend using baking soda in the hair because it is very corrosive. So more power to those who are adventurous and want to do it. I'm not taking that risk with my fine strands. I feel like the baking soda would just eat it right up, and yeah, I can't get with that. I'm gonna give you a bonus thing because there's a lot of things I want to do to my hair, but the bonus 4th thing that I will not do to my fine natural hair is, drum roll, put in any kind of weave or synthetic hair. I know that's a personal preference. Some like to do that as a way of protective styles. I personally like to use my own hair to protective style. I just feel like the synthetic hair, even if it's human hair, it's synthetic to my hair, so it's foreign to my hair because it's not my hair. So using those things, I've always found, like, I've done it before. Let me just correct myself. It's not that I've never tried it. I have tried it, and I do find that my hair is always drier after using any kind of like synthetic or even human hair in my hair. So that is out. Going back to the coloring issue, let me say this. I actually colored my hair, bleached my hair once a long time ago. I don't care what you say. If you deep condition every day even, eventually the hair, it's just not good for the hair. If you lift, and this is something else that was told to me from a professional, if you lift your natural hair color more than 2 shades from its natural tone, you are causing damage. There's no way about it. I think you may have even seen some popular YouTubers like Natural 85 who dyed their hair really light blonde streaks and stuff. While it looked great, even she admitted that it caused damage to her hair. You really should not lift your own hair color more than 2 shades from its normal color. You're stripping it. So anyway, that is it. Share in the comment section below some things that you won't do to your natural hair, fine or otherwise. I'll catch you in my next video.